Modular muscle. We are working our way through it. We are working our way through modular muscle. Here is another huge reaction to our index difference. $11.82 is the index for Matthew Brown on the Jag side, and look at the right-hand side or left-hand side. Alan Joyner indexed at 851. There's a red light on for Brown. There's a win light on for Joyner. And Joyner getting all out of shape. Matthew Brown has got to wonder why I didn't let go green, because he would have had an easy win as